Hey, what's going on? This is Matt Stark here with Forward Lawyer Marketing. The topic for today is creating content for your law firm's website through AI generators such as ChatGPT. Now, by now, you've probably heard about ChatGPT. It's really cool technology. It can organize your emails. It could do all this cool stuff for you. And it also can create content. So we're getting a lot of inquiries from clients saying, hey, is it okay if I provide a blog that was produced through ChatGPT? Or they'll just send us a handful of blogs and say, hey, post this on our blog. And it makes sense because, SEO is content in many ways. There's other things as well, but it's content. So maybe they can get ahead of the curve if they're producing a lot more content. Our suggestion would be not to do this. Do not create content through AI generators such as ChatGPT. Think of it this way. Let's say you're an auto accident attorney in California. You go to ChatGPT, you put in, produce me a blog for what to do if I've been injured in an auto accident. And what happens, it's going to pop out this blog for you that is seemingly pretty good. You're going to publish it onto your site. And then you might start doing this regularly and producing AI generated content. We don't think at this point search engines such as Google are really good at determining what content is written by AI technology such as ChatGPT or a person, but we do think that they're going to get there eventually, and this could be risky. So Google's senior search analyst, John Mueller, was recently on the record of saying this with regards to fluffy content, and specifically content created by AI generators. The problem with trying to keep a frequency up is that it's easy to end up with mediocre, fluffy content, which search engine quality algorithms might pick up on, and then assume the whole site is like that. Taking risks like this in the beginning when it's easy for you to start over is probably fine. Doing that in the long run will be painful when it catches up to you. All of this applies even more if you're taking shortcuts with Gen AI content. So as far as forward lawyer marketing is concerned, this is all that we need to hear. We think that eventually they're going to be able to determine what content is fluffy through an AI generator and what content is written well through perhaps a real person. And if you're putting out any content, especially on a high scale, this could be very risky for when these algorithms get smarter and they're adjusted, and it could again really backfire in that way. So we're going to keep our ear to the ground on this. It's very topical, very fluid. The technology is changing. There's a lot of opinions out there, but we would suggest staying away from AI generated content. We're going to keep you up to date on this topic because we feel that there's going to be more information coming out. We're going to continue to share our opinion. And if you ever have any questions with regards to this topic, don't hesitate to reach out to us.